How to crochet a chicken little. Hello, welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I will show you how to crochet a chicken little. So here are our materials. This is a white bulky bernat yarn, and I'm using a 6mm crochet hook, tapestry needles, a pair of scissors, a bamboo stick, safety eyes, and if you need a stitch marker, you should have that too. And we need also to use a black yarn and red yarn as well, and some yellow or gold for the beak and the beak and the feet, and then the pink for the blush. Of course, it's optional. And yeah, let's get started. So first we are going to make a magic ring. And single crochet inside the ring for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1. Now we have to increase our work, so we are going to make or put 2 single crochet in each of the following 8 stitches all the way around, and this will be our second round, and you should have a total of 16 single crochet. I'll meet you here at the end. Now slip stitch into the first stitch or first single crochet, then chain 1. For the third round, we are going to increase again, single crochet on that same stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So this will be the pattern all the way around, and you should have a total of 24 stitches all the way around, and I'll meet you here at the end. So now slip stitch again into the beginning stitch and chain 1. And for round 4 to round 7, you are going to single crochet all the way around, and you should have a total of 24 single crochet as well. That would be the row 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we are in our round 7. Slip stitch in the beginning stitch and then chain 1. Now we are going to increase in round 8, which is single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 single crochet into that next stitch. So this will be the pattern again: single crochet, single crochet, then 2 single crochet into the next stitch all the way around, and I'll meet you here at the end. And you should have a total of 32 single crochet, then slip stitch on the first stitch and chain 1. Now we are going to decrease our work, single crochet. This will be the round 9, by the way. Single crochet on that same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet together. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook again into the next stitch, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops into your hook, grab the yarn and pull through that 3 loops. That's our decrease, or 2 single crochet together. Now again, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet together into the next stitch. Do this all the way around, and you should have a total of 24 single crochet. So now slip stitch and chain 1. So now we are going to put the safety eyes in our project. So you have to count from the magic ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in between the 6th and 7th round, that's the place where you are going to put your safety eyes. So like for example here, you see 5 space here, 1, 2 or stitch, 3, 4, and 5, and into the 6th stitch here you're going to put your second safety eye as well, just like that. Now using a black yarn, we are going to put the eyebrow of the project. So just, you know, figure out where you can put it better, just like what. So once you are satisfied with your eyebrow, get your blush and put here under the eye as well. So now put the beak into the lower portion right here in the center of the eye. And now you can put the stuffing. Now going back to our yarn, we are going to decrease again, single crochet on that same stitch, then single crochet together, single crochet on that next stitch, single crochet together into the 2 following stitches. Do this all the way across or around, and I'll meet you here at the end. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, and you should have a total of 16 stitches. Now single crochet all the way around for a total of 16 single crochet. So once you're done, slip stitch again into the first stitch, then chain 1, and this time we are going to decrease 2 single crochet together for 8 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1. Now cut your yarn and leave in an allowance to sew and close your project. If your project has not enough stuffing in there, you can put more and close it. And here is the head of our chicken. So now let's do the body. Make a magic ring, then chain 1. Now put 7 single crochet in the ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Slip stitch into the beginning single crochet, then chain 1, and increase your work, which is 2 single crochet in each of the following 7 stitches for a total of 14 single crochet all the way around for your second round. Now slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, then single crochet, and single crochet on the very first stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. This will be the increase again for the third round. single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and you should have a total of 21 stitches all the way around for the third round. Slip stitch, chain 1. Now from round 4 to round 6, you're going to single crochet all the way around for a total of 21 stitches. So that's our round 4 to round 6. Now slip stitch and chain 1. This time we are going to decrease our work. Single crochet on the very first stitch, 2 single crochet together, single crochet into the next, then 2 single crochet together, and you should have a total of 14 stitches left, and I'll meet you here at the end. Now for round 8 to round 9, you are going to single crochet all the way around, and you should have a total of 14 single crochet in each round. Now put the stuffing and now we are going to decrease again for 7 times. This is our round 10, and you should have a total of 7 stitches left. Slip stitch, chain 1. Now add more stuffing in your project, then cut your yarn, and you don't have to close it because you can actually cover it with the neck like this. So yeah, cut your yarn in there, and we have to make an allowance for that for the sewing as well. So now we are going to make a wings, and then we're going to sew the feet in here. For the wings, we're going to make a slip knot and then chain of up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, then put 5 single crochet into that last stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now into the opposite side, you're going to put single crochet into the next stitch, then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, then slip stitch into that first single crochet or the chain 1 space in there on top, then chain 1. Now this is our wings, so make 2 of this. Once you're done with your 2 wings, just sew it on the opposite side like that here. So here is the wings, and now all we have to do is sew a feet on both sides as well, just a line in the eye like that. Cut your yarn and then hide the tail or the excess yarn using a bamboo stick. That's why I have a bamboo stick all the time. So here it is, our chicken. So now using a red yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook as well, we are going to chain up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just enough to cover the head here. Then single crochet into the second stitch from the hook, chain 1. Now yarn over and put 5 double crochet in that same stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now chain 1, single crochet into the next stitch, yarn over and make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, single crochet into the next, then 5 double crochet into the next stitch. Now into the last stitch, you still have a total of 5 double crochet, and then chain of up to 2 and single crochet on that same stitch. Now single crochet in each of the following 9 stitches all the way across here. Then chain 1, cut your yarn just enough for the sewing. This will be like this. It should be like a ruffle. There you go. Then you put it here and sew it on then into the head using your tapestry needle. And here it is. Ta-da! Thank you for watching, guys. This is Ali Crochet. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.